Hello, I'm Aubrey Shepherd, and we're doing this short take on the third day of January 2011. And I'm just happy to be in my 71st year and still able to sit up here and talk. So let's look at some photos as fast as we can. Well, you can see some folks, and I don't know, what are these folks doing? Well, they're having a good time, aren't they? Recognize that critter? That's an owl. That's known as a barred, B-A-R-R-E-D, owl, because of the designs on its feathers. Shot a few of those. It was late in the evening, and the magic, well, I don't use Photoshop, but I do have a slight adjustment I can make on the Macintosh without special programs, so I tried to crop one at least of these and lighten it up because it was pretty dark. It was 5 p.m. When that was made, and you can go online and blow them up a little more if you want to on my blogs and things, but not a great picture. But the truth is, when I snapped the pictures, I couldn't tell what direction he was looking, and then when I looked at him on the computer, I could see that he was looking at me and just irritated that I'd chased him off the ground, and he couldn't sit out there where he could have a better shot at catching one of the birds feeding on the ground in the backyard late in the evening. Well, there's the riparian's own of a small stream in North Fayetteville where construction's going on. And you can see how the red dirt was piled up. And there you see an old detention pond. I hope they're stopping the use of this kind of design. You see how where the pipes come out and where the water runs straight off the concrete parking lot, you get a lot of erosion, and the concrete only takes it out faster than you want it to, and it should be spreading out over that dark, rich native soil that was in that area originally and soaking in so it won't go fast and speed up the erosion in other places downstream, and also cause flooding. And those are a couple of the dangers. It's pollution and flooding and erosion. It's one of the worst kinds of pollution. So we're looking at hoping that we see more rain gardens, and nothing built quite as close to the edge of the stream as the shots show you here, it being done. That's for a hospice, and for Washington Regional Hospital, it's a needed facility. It'll be wonderful, but we'd like to see the new rules in place before anything else is improved like that. So I suppose we talk about wildlife habitat a great deal, and I do have a brochure on here, a quick shot of that, where which the city will be sending to you in your water bill if you live in the city of Fayetteville and use city water. And it'll urge you to protect habitat on your own property, in your own yard, and try to prevent erosion and loss of the plants that are needed for not just deer and birds, but you can see there's a shot of the red dirt just almost over the edge of the stream there. So that shouldn't be happening. But you can do a lot by protecting your yard and slowing the water down and keeping it where it falls. And I guess I'll just have to say that we're hoping in February the city of Fayetteville will pass one of the rules. There you can see it. It's a Williard Walker Memorial Hospice out there in the medical complex in North Fayetteville. And you will see some shots of the beautiful black dirt that absorbs so much water. So until next time, this is Aubrey Shepherd asking you to do your part to help keep the water clean, the air pure, and the woods green.